You know, we've been talking about that upcoming TRX truck, that insane 702 horsepower vehicle that Ram is going to put out. So Ford had to respond because they have the Raptor line, which is supposed to be the performance truck of your dreams.
Mm-hmm.
And that thing, it hasn't had a V8 engine in a while, and it certainly hasn't had 700 plus horsepower in a while, ever. And so they got to go back to the drawing board, and apparently they're going to pull an engine from the GT500 vehicle that they do, which is a V8 engine. And they apparently are going to beat the 702 horsepower on the TRX, potentially delivering between 700 and 750?
725 and 750.
725 and 750, which is interesting because the current 5.2 liter supercharged V8 makes 700 from the 2020 Mustang GT500. So are they going to get even more power out of it? Maybe. The source inside claims that the next Raptor could have a supercharged V8 making between 725 and 750 horsepower. So now you have the horsepower wars with the trucks. They had the horsepower wars going for a while. You had the Dodge Hellcat, Challenger, Charger, and they're going head-to-head to horsepower wars against these GT500s, and it just makes its way into the pickup trucks, which is kind of a bit of fun, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a huge power increase for the Raptor, which is currently using a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 that makes 450 horsepower. It's a lot of extra horsepower.
Mm-hmm.
So get ready for all the quick trucks, and if you're a Ford fan, you're not being left in the dust. Ford's going to respond. It may take a little while. You may have to get that TRX in the meantime.
Yeah. How crazy would it be just to have like a tug of war with these trucks here?
TRX versus next-gen Raptor tug of war.
Like a cage match.
A torque-off.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right. And then can we throw a Cybertruck in there? And,
for sure.
A Rivian and whatever else? You sent me this one, Will. Live from IIT Bombay, virtual convocation.